In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block ads in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know how to stop most pop-ups. Tighten your privacy settings to cut down on tracking-based ads. And turn on ad blocking for news content inside Edge. All using built-in controls. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This is the hub for all the controls we'll use, and it's where you can return later, if you ever want to adjust anything. On the left side of the Settings page, select Cookies and Site Permissions. This section lets you manage what websites are allowed to do in your browser. Find the option labeled Pop-ups and Redirects and open it. Make sure the Block Recommended toggle is turned on. When this is enabled, Edge prevents sites from opening new windows or redirecting you unexpectedly, which is a common way intrusive ads get in your way. Many users find this on by default, but it's worth confirming. If you run into a trusted site that truly needs a pop-up to complete a task, you can always come back to this same page later and make an exception. Next, improve your privacy tracking protections. Go back to the main settings view and select Privacy, Search, and Services. Here, you'll see Tracking Prevention. Set it to Strict. This option blocks a broader range of known trackers across sites, which reduces the number of personalized or behavior-based ads you'll encounter as you browse. Do keep in mind that Strict can occasionally impact how some sites display or function, because certain third-party tools get blocked. If a site looks off, you can temporarily relax the setting and then switch it back when you are done. While you are still in Privacy, Search, and Services, locate the Ads Blocking option and turn it on. This specifically helps reduce ads on news content that appears within Edge, such as what you see on the New Tab page or in the integrated news feed. With this option enabled, you should notice fewer interruptions and a cleaner reading experience in those areas. Once you've made these changes, give your open tabs a quick refresh so the new settings take effect right away. These controls work together. Pop-up blocking stops intrusive windows. Tracking prevention limits cross-site tracking that fuels targeted ads. And ads blocking trims down ads on news experiences inside Edge. That's it. You've configured Edge to block pop-ups, tighten tracking protections, and reduce ads on news sites, all in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.